Products are only $10 and that's a great deal. Let's take a look at the toothbrushes and see what they offer. The Oral-B Click offers a nice clean aesthetic look and replacing the bristle heads are super easy and satisfying. This product is called the Oral-B Click for a reason. It clicks when you replace the bristle heads and man is it satisfying. I can literally do this all day. It's probably one of the most satisfying fidget toys I own. While the Colgate Keep offers a more exotic look that kind of reminds me of a Lamborghini. Replacing the bristle heads on the Colgate is not as satisfying and it's pretty hard to replace the bristle heads. So when it comes to taking on and putting off the bristle heads, Oral-B Click has won that part. Now regarding the design of the handle, that's going to come down to personal preference. Both of these products are made out of metal, so they both feel great in the hand. The Oral-B Click is nice, smooth, and continuous. It's got a nice little rubber.
The primary and secondary functions can be very easily explained and well understood by considering very small, simple and day-to-day products. For example, if we take up a product like the toothbrush, all of us use it, isn't it? But how many of us have realized that it is the bristles of this toothbrush which perform the primary function of cleaning the teeth, and the handle of the toothbrush performs only the secondary function of ease of operation of the bristles. But on a detailed analysis, it will be seen that the handle alone costs me anywhere between 50 to 60% of the total cost of the toothbrush. All the value analysis efforts should be concentrated on trying to redesign the handle. Some of the options that are possible for us might be an alternative like this. When the bristles have outlived their life, all I have to do is take out the bristles, throw them off, while still retaining 50 to 60% of the cost of the toothbrush with us, take up a new set of bristles, engage them, start using it again. Or alternatively, how about a design like this? I have a handle with me, separate from the bristles, use the bristles to the extent of their life, throw the bristle alone at the end of the life, pick up a new bristles and again start brushing back. Or as a third option, maybe, how about this? Maybe you can use it like this, much more convenient, much more flexible. Would you like it?